Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next season of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK tutorials. So in the previous session, we have discussed about the extended view. Okay, we have already discussed about this basic views. Now we will see view on view. What is this concept of view on view is known as? Okay, so suppose, before that, let me log in, open my Eclipse system. This is my Eclipse. Okay, let me go there. For example, I have this view, or let's take this view, this one. Okay, so this is my any view. If I want to use this view by another view, that concept is known as view on view, or you can say it as an nested view also. So this lesson will be on view on view. How can you use a view into your another view? It's really very simple. Nothing, you don't have to do anything. Right click, new. Okay, create a new CDS view, other repository object, data definition. Next, okay, Z CDS view on view. Okay, CDS view on view. Okay, click on next. Already exists on view. Okay, for ZK, click on next. Define view. Where is our normal view? This is our extended view. Mm, Define view. Click on finish. Okay. Let's wait for a moment. It will create a new view. Okay. It's taking too much time. Yeah. So it's created. For example, what I want to do is I want to use this view. Okay. Copy this. I'll go there. I'll select from radial source view name. Control space. Set all elements. Save this. Check this. Okay. Also, they give the SQL view name also. G view on view. Okay. Save this. Check this. And finally, activate this. Right click. Run as ABAP application. So you can see we can use that view over here also. Okay. So we will see more use cases in our coming up sessions on this. So that's all about this is okay. Is this clear, guys? So this is how we can use one view into your another view. So this concept is our view on view concept. Okay. So in this session, we will just see one more topic, like how if you want to give any some condition. For example, if this is, let's create one more view. Okay, go there. The condition. Okay, sorry. Give here the select the data definition. Select it. Next, the condition CDS view with condition. Okay, CDS view with condition. How can we fetch? Okay, once again, click on finish. How can we create a CDS view by giving some conditions there? For example, I'm using this. Let's give here a normal our table name, which is Mara. Save this. Okay. Okay, give here SQL view name. What is this? Okay, detail source could not be saved. Give here SQL view name the condition view. Give here some select here, for example, Mara. Key field is my Matnar. This is my Matnar. Okay. And then select ER name and then MTART. Okay. So this is what I can fetch it. Directly save this, check this, and activate this. That click run as ABAP application. This is what we are testing. For example, same as we used to do in our select query also, I want to fetch the details only for this material. How can I do this? Directly go there, After this curly braces, right here where mat equals to your material. Okay. Okay, just copied all the details. Your this material number. That's all. Save this, check this, and then activate this. Okay. Right click, run as ABP application. So this CDS view on based of condition. Okay. So hope this one is clear to all of you. This CDS view with condition and this view on view concept. I hope this one is clear to everyone. Okay. Bye.